Hey guys, Joseph here. Today we're going to be showing you how to hardwire install the new Vantrue Mirror Cam 3. The Vantrue M3 is a 3-in-1 channel dash cam designed for the all-around security of your car. This newly launched mirror cam, exclusively available for pre-order from BlackboxMyCar, is equipped with a Sony Starvis and Silicon Optronics image sensor in its front, rear, and interior cameras to deliver reliable footage that clearly captures events inside and around your vehicle, day and night. This is the perfect setup if you want full coverage of your driving, making an excellent solution for taxis, Uber, Lyft, and other ride-sharing instances. So for today's video, we're going to be showing you how the Vantrue Mirror Cam 3 hardwiring works as we install it into a 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now the first step is to locate the fuse panel of your car. With the Santa Fe, the fuse panel is located in the instrument panel on the driver's side behind the cover. We love that Hyundai always makes it easy and convenient to find things. You can use a pry tool to open the side of the fuse box. Using a circuit tester, our installer looks for the ACC fuse, which stands for accessory, and the constant fuse. You can easily differentiate these fuse types. If it lights up, even when your car ignition is turned off, it's a constant. If it doesn't light up, it's an ACC. As you can see, we have red and yellow wires. The red one is for the ACC, while the yellow one is for the constant fuse. Make sure to read the labels on the hardwiring kit itself to confirm, and don't get them mixed up because this is very crucial in order for you to activate parking mode. You'll also have another wire called the C wire, which we will need to connect to a grounding bolt. What you have to do here is to take both the red and yellow wires and connect them to their own adapfuses with the proper fuse taps. The fuse tap that you choose is dependent on the car that you use, from ATO, Micro 2, Low Profile, and Mini Fuse. Do consult your user manual to find the right one for you, and also make sure the fuse tap that you're adding is equal to or lower than the fuse tap that you've chosen. That's the number here. For the 2013 Santa Fe, we used the Low Profile fuse. Now let's go back to the fuse box. Connect the C wire to the ground bolt, screw it, and make sure that it is tight and secure. You always want to start off with this. Next, we connect the constant and ACC fuse directly into the fuse box. Grab the fuse that you've chosen and connect it to the hardwiring kit before plugging it back in. Once settled, let's check if the dash cam is already powered up. That's awesome. It works. Now the next step is to hide the wires. The wires on the Vantrue Mirror Cam 3 are quite thick compared to the wires from a VO dash cam, so be sure to use the included pry tool to slot them into the really tight spaces. So for connecting the front mirror, we took off the car's A-pillar and the rubber trims. We wrapped the wires behind and make sure that it's neatly hidden underneath. Now we put up the Vantrue Mirror Cam 3 right at the spot where your rearview mirror is. This 12-inch IPS anti-glare touchscreen display should be hooked up onto your rearview mirror tightly with the rubber straps to fully utilize its capacity to be a rearview mirror, a dash cam, and a touchscreen display all at once. After that, you can install the GPS unit right up there as well. After everything's in place, start tucking the wires into the roof of your car, attach the cables for the front camera, and secure all the connection wirings using electrical tape. Electrical tape is going to be your best friend. It's very important because the vibrations of the car could loosen connections over time. Now let's put up the interior camera. The Vantrue Mirror Cam 3's interior infrared camera is 360-degree rotatable, allowing the highest level of flexibility to capture the required angles for you and your passenger's security. Plug the cable into the mirror cam's GPS unit and front cam. Again, there are a lot of wires here, so make sure you secure them properly. One important reminder is before you start hiding the wires, you have to ensure that your car is turned on to see if the dash cam's power is enabled and if it completely works. Another is when you install wires near the airbag, they must be located behind. Don't worry, as long as your car ignition is off and you've given it at least 30 minutes for all the residual power to drain, the airbags won't have a chance of accidentally blowing. With the front cam and interior cameras neatly installed and working, it's time for the rear camera. Since the rear camera or the backup camera in the Vantrue Mirror M3's case must be located at the back of the car, the wiring will have to pass through the A, B, and C pillars. Our installer is wrapping the wire around the side of these pillars until it reaches the rear. Now for us, we're just installing it like a rear camera instead of a backup camera. So use the included clips in the box and screw it in. It is also possible to add an adhesive so it could stick to the end of your car's rear plastic covering. We fish the cable to the back mount. Open the back panel to fish the wires through. As you can see, the rear connecting cable has 2 separate wires. This is a cool feature of the Vantrue Mirror Cam 3 in that the rear camera can also be used as a backup camera as well. All you need to do is connect this red wire to the reverse fuse and your backup cam will automatically activate when you put your car in reverse. We won't be doing that today and just installing it as a rear camera. After having the wire through, secure everything with electrical tape. Now attach the rear cam to the plastic. If you notice, there are 4 holes in the adhesive of the mount. This is for instances where you prefer to drill the mount directly into your plastic cover. Now in our case, we're happy with just using a clip for the secure attachment. As you take all the wirings curled up, use electrical tape and hide the cables back in the roof. Start the car to make sure that the connection works. And now that it is, it's up to you how you want to adjust your 3-channel system camera angles. And there you have it. Installing the Vantrue Mirror Cam 3 is quite easy. But if you need help from our professional installers, you can always contact us at BlackboxMyCar to have your mirror dash cam installed. Contact us for 15% off. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates and news on BlackboxMyCar. And you can use exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube for 5% off your next purchase. Thanks for watching.